So begin with half a cup of figs and half a cup of dates. What you can do to make blending easier is soak the figs prior to blending. Then put your soaked figs into a blender. I'm using a NutriBullet, but any high-speed blender is great for this recipe. And go ahead and add in your dates. So once it is blended into a dough consistency, go ahead and take your little cups, I'm using little muffin cups, and push down what will be your crust into the bottom of your little cups. If it gets too sticky on your fingers, I recommend getting a little bowl of water and using it to push down the dough. It somehow stops your fingers from sticking to the dough, which is really good. And once you have them all done, you can go ahead and pop them in the freezer for just a couple minutes until they harden. And now we'll go ahead and make the berry filling, and it's just 2 ingredients, bananas that are frozen and any berries of your choice. I'm using cherries, blackberries, and blueberries. And go ahead and pop them into your high-speed blender and blend into a thick consistency. You don't want to add too much water because you want it to maintain a thick sort of ice cream consistency. So once you have that mixture, go ahead and spoon it into your cups, filling them all the way to the top. And you want to make sure that the base of your tarts are hardened enough from the freezer so that they maintain their shape when you put the filling in. So after you put them into the freezer for about 2 hours, they should come out perfectly. And there you have it, your little cheesecake bite. And you can change up the flavors however you like, but they are delicious. Thanks for watching.